Hello everyone, this is Ravindra Dundra and welcome back to my channel. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about class 10th CBSE Geography chapter number 5, that is Minerals and Energy Resources. In the previous lectures about this chapter, we have already discussed about this ferrous minerals. In that, we discussed about iron ore and what are the properties of this iron ore, different types of iron ore, and what are the major belts that are found in the country. That means where iron ore is mainly found. Now, in continuation with that, the next topic which we are going to discuss is about another ferrous mineral which is available in the country, that is manganese. So let us discuss about this manganese. So manganese, where it is mainly used is, it is mainly used in the manufacturing of steel as well as ferromanganese alloy. Ferro means those things are those metals which are related or which are related to this iron ore. So it is mainly used in the manufacturing of steel as well as other iron ore related metals. It is also used. And how much manganese is required to manufacture steel is that nearly 10 kg of manganese is required to manufacture somewhere like 1 ton of this steel. Then it is also mainly used in the manufacturing of bleaching powder, insecticides as well as this paints. So basically the main purpose of this manganese is that it is mainly used in the manufacturing of steel. But not only steel, it is also used in the manufacturing of bleaching powder, insecticides as well as this paints. So these are some of the two very important ferrous minerals which are available in the country. One is iron ore and the second one is this manganese. Now coming to this non-ferrous minerals, which means you can say those minerals which do not contain this iron ore. And in India we have very less amount of this non-ferrous minerals in the country. So let us talk some of the very important non-ferrous minerals such as copper, bauxite, gold, etc., zinc, which are the non-ferrous minerals which are found in the country. So starting with this copper. So when it comes to the copper, as I have already told that these non-ferrous minerals in the country are very less. In the same way, the copper is also very deficient in the production and supplying of this copper. India is having a small number of reserves. At the same time, India is also producing a smaller amount of this copper. And where it is mainly used, what are its properties is that the first and very important thing is that this main important property of copper is malleable. That means which can be easily turned into other forms. We can mold it into different forms. That is one of the very important feature of this copper. Malleable means we can mold it into our own ways. Then ductile means can be easily made into thin wires. So the very important property of this copper is that it can be made into a smaller thin wires which are used in electrical cables, and at the same time it is the good conductor of heat and electricity. The other very important feature of this copper is that it is the good conductor of heat and electricity, which supplies heat as well as this electricity. Therefore, since it is having these properties, malleability, ductility as well as this good conductor, it is mainly used in electrical cables, electronics as well as even it is also used in this chemical industries. So the very important properties sometimes can be asked, explain about this copper. Therefore you need to write that it is deficient in the production. India is deficient, but it has very good properties such as malleable, ductile as well as good conductor. And where it is mainly used is that it is used in electrical cables, electronics as well as this chemical industries, and which are the leading producers of this copper. So in Madhya Pradesh there are some mines known as Balaghat mines, in Rajasthan K3 mines, and as well as in Jharkhand Singhbhum district. So these are the leading producers of copper in the country. So now next we will discuss about this bauxite, the other very important non-ferrous mineral found in the country. Let us discuss about the other very important non-ferrous mineral that is found in the country, that is bauxite. And what is the importance of this bauxite is that bauxite is mainly used in the extraction of a metal called this aluminium. So how this aluminium is extracted is that basically bauxite is turned into alumina, then this alumina is being changed into this aluminium. But there are several other ores where we can extract this aluminium, but why only bauxite is that bauxite is having more concentration of this aluminum. So that is the reason why we use this bauxite to extract this aluminum. And the next thing is that how this bauxite minerals are formed is that it is formed by decomposition of wide variety of rocks which are rich in aluminum silicates, as we have discussed when the mode of occurrence of minerals. In that we have discussed that there are some minerals which are mainly formed by the decomposition of the surface rocks. So this is the best example for that mineral which are found in that way, that is bauxite. So this bauxite is mainly formed by the decomposition of a different variety of surface rocks, and this bauxite, as I told, it is used in this extraction of this aluminum, and this aluminum has various properties. So what are these properties and why it is very important is that because it has the capability of iron, that means this aluminum contains the strength which iron also has. Then at the same time, the next thing is it is extreme lightness, that means the weight of this aluminum is very less compared to the steel as well as this iron, and that is the reason why this aluminum is also used in the manufacturing of these aircrafts. And the next thing is it is the good conductor of heat as well as this electricity, and finally it is also malleable, which can be easily molded. So these are some of the important properties of this aluminum which is extracted from this bauxite. Then what next? Where this bauxite is found in the country? So in India, bauxite is found in various places. One is this Amarkantak Plateau, which is located in Madhya Pradesh, and Mica Hills, which are located in this Chhattisgarh, as well as this Bilaspur Katni, which is also located in Chhattisgarh. But apart from these places, these deposits, there is one state which is leading producer of this bauxite, that is Odisha. So Odisha is the leading producer of this bauxite, and where in Odisha is that it is mainly Panchpatmali deposits which are located in Koraput district, which is located in this Odisha. So among all the states in the country, the leading producer of this bauxite is Odisha, and in Odisha where it is Panchpatmali deposits, where in the district known as this Koraput. So that is about this bauxite. And the next very important mineral which we are going to discuss is about this non-metallic minerals. Let us discuss about the non-metallic minerals. In that we will mainly discuss about this mica. So what is this mica, where it is found, and what are its properties? So this mica, it is actually made up of a series of plates or leaves. That means how it looks like is that it is something like a series of plates are arranged one by one upon it. So and it can be easily split into sheets. That means the mica can be easily made up into, can be converted into different thin kind of sheets, and these sheets can be so thin that thousands can be made from a few centimeters of mica. That means from a few centimeters high of mica we can make some thousands of sheets. So you can imagine how much thin sheets we can make from this mica. And this mica, it can be clear black, sometimes it can be black color, green color, red color, yellow, or even sometimes it can be even in brown color. And there are some important properties of this mica. So what are these properties is that it has excellent dielectric strength, which means whatever the voltage it may be, whatever the power supply it may be, it can withstand without any breaking, and it cannot supply this electricity. It is something like it has a low power loss factor. That means it never allows the power, and at the same time it has insulating property, which means it is a bad conductor of heat as well as this electricity. That is why it is mainly used in this electric and electronic industries. So which is what I told, it is resistant to high voltage. So because of these properties, what are those? Dielectric strength, low power loss factor, insulating property, as well as resistance to high voltage. So because of these properties, it is mainly used in electric as well as electronic industries. And mica is mainly found in northern edge of this Chota Nagpur Plateau. I hope you all know where this Chota Nagpur Plateau is there. So in the northern side of this Chota Nagpur Plateau, we can find this mica deposits. And not only that, we can find in this Koderma, Gaya, Hazirabad district of Jharkhand, and in Rajasthan it is found in Ajmer. Then in Andhra Pradesh it is found in this Nellore. So these are some of the leading producers of this mica in the country. Because of its good properties, it is mainly used in this electric as well as electronic industries. So next we will discuss about this other important minerals such as rock minerals. Let us discuss about the other very important material minerals, that is rock minerals. So in that we will mainly discuss about this limestone. As you all know that it is a highly essential raw material which is used in different industries. So let us discuss about this limestone. So it is mainly found in association with the rocks which are composed of calcium carbonate or magnesium carbonate. That means those rocks which contain this calcium carbonate as well as magnesium carbonate. So in that type of rocks we can actually find this limestone. That means it is mainly found in this sedimentary rocks, and it is the basic raw material in different industries. Why it is basic raw material? You can see it is mainly used in cement industry. You all know that the cement is mainly manufactured by using this limestone, and not only that, it is also used in smelting of the iron. That means when the iron is smelted, it is used in this furnace. That means where this iron ore is heated up and burned. So in that also it is highly used. And which state is the leading producer of this iron limestone? Is that it is Rajasthan, the leading producer of this limestone. So with this we have completed some of the important minerals that are found in the country. In the next lesson, in the next lecture, we will discuss about this conservation of minerals as well as hazards of mining. Thank you.